Today I want to show you how to get most out of your citrus fruits like orange and lemon. Imagine you squeeze a piece of lemon into a glass like this and then drink the juice. You will have gotten only around 50% of the vitamin C's and other nutrients out of the lemon. What you should do is take your lemon, freeze it in your freezer overnight until it becomes solid like a rock like this. And then you shred it in your kitchen in the same way you would shred your cabbage and carrots, like this. You shred it until you finish all of it, until you have just a small piece you can hardly hold. You will end up with a shredded lemon like this. You use this lemon to spray in your salad or rice and eat. You'll have gotten everything out of this lemon. Similarly with orange, you cut pieces like this and throw them in your juicer, including the skin. The skin itself has a lot of vitamin C's and other nutrition. It has more vitamin C's than the orange itself. Once you finish, you will end up with a glass of juice like this. It tastes slightly different because of the skin peel, because of the orange peel or orange skin. But it has a lot of nutrition. You will have gotten everything out of the orange. Why I'm showing you this is because if you increase the intake of your vitamin C's, you will strengthen your immune system. If your immune system is strong, your body will be able to fight infection very effectively. Any infection, including coronavirus, it will be able to fight very effectively if your immune system is strong. If you like the video, you are free to share with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much and have a nice day.